If saturated vapors are compressed slowly, temperature remaining constant, to half the initial volume, the vapor pressure will. See, what are saturated vapors? If I take a vessel, and in this vessel, if I take some liquid, okay, the liquid starts evaporating after some time, even if the temperature is kept constant. The liquid starts evaporating. So what happens? Slowly some vapor molecules will be formed on the surface of the liquid. The pressure exerted by this vapor on the surface is nothing but vapor pressure. I'll again repeat, if liquid is taken in a vessel, closed vessel, slowly the liquid starts evaporating. So what happens? The molecules which are present above the liquid are nothing but vapor molecules. Vapor will be formed. So initially the amount of vapor formed will be less. But after some time what happens? With increase in the amount of vapor present above the liquid, the vapor starts condensing. The vapor starts condensing. So initially rate of evaporation will be more. Then after some time rate of condensation will be more. At one particular point, a rate of evaporation will become equal to rate of condensation. That state is called equilibrium state. And the pressure exerted by vapor, which is on the surface of the liquid and which is in equilibrium with the liquid, is called saturated vapor pressure. So now, if it is at equilibrium, the rate of condensation becomes equal to rate of evaporation. So now what is the question here? If saturated vapors are compressed slowly to half the initial volume, the vapor pressure will be, it will remain same because it's a dynamic process. Rate of evaporation will become equal to rate of condensation. So there will be no change in the vapor pressure because the vapors are saturated there. So what should be your answer here? It remains unchanged because the rate of evaporation becomes equal to rate of condensation at equilibrium state. So your answer should be option C.